Hey Wayne. Hey. What's up, friends? Welcome to a quick shop review. Thought I would take you guys around and show you what's been going on here. We've got some pretty cool projects in. Just got this 71 Benz back from paint. So this thing got a full paint job, not engine bay and sills, but full paint job. And then we've been getting this back together as far as trim goes. Still got the front and rear windows to go in, but I think it turned out really nice. Customer's gonna be super happy about that. I don't really know where these motorcycles came from. They just kind of showed up here. This is Chaz's A8L. Chaz over here. He's the S55 guy, $2,400 S55 guy. Unfortunately, the $2,400 S55 is causing us the kind of problems you would have with a $2,400 S55. But the A8L is cool. We just got that tinted up. The cool thing about the A8L is it has V8 with the timing belt at the front, so super serviceable. But this is the new project that we just took in. This is direct import from the Netherlands, 318i Touring Wagon. A little bit of M treatment in here. Right now we're just getting it started, and then we're going to evaluate the M20 here. We're thinking turbo on the M20 here. Just got to evaluate whether this one's worthy or not, but this car is going to get most likely turbo or some other engine swap, and then it's gonna go down on bags and some new rotiform wheels. Just a really beautiful car though. So we're really excited to have this one in and be doing some work on it. First BMW that we're really working on, and just to have an imported 318 with the M3 treatment is pretty sick. Update on the C30 Camper Special. So we got the bed off of it, and we did get it running. So here it is, Grecian bronze C30 Camper Special. Did get this running, like I said, and we're about ready to roll it in and channel the frame and drop it low. This is just a really cool project. We got the bed over here, of course. Got that pulled off and set to the side for now. So Camper Special is pretty exciting. Looking forward to that. And then, of course, dark helmet, the Audi A6 C5 4.2 V8. This is on BC Coils 01E 6-speed swap. Has some paint issues, of course, but we are looking forward to getting this one fired back up. It's just down for brake lines exploded, which we were expecting. And I just haven't done anything about getting it going again because I have this whole big brake kit set up that I'm running to. 6-piston Brembos off a Porsche Cayenne with some ML 550 rotors off of Benz. Those should really bolt up to the C5 to dark helmet, so that's coming together. And beyond that, just, you know, settling in. You know, it's a little bit messy right now. I like to keep a clean shop, but we've been just kind of going hard. So things get out of hand sometimes, cleanliness-wise. We did got Brabus wheels on the C124, so now we have these 18-inch monoblocks. These are just chilling, ready to go out for resto. Probably pull the chrome off of those and paint them just Porsche silver, or, you know, kind of traditional silver monoblock styles, what you would expect. I don't think I'm gonna go back to chrome just for the cost of it all. Beyond that, just trying to stay busy here. Cool projects, as you can see. Wayne marinating on the couch. Marinating. This is what we do. You bring in a project, you do some research, maybe have a pizza, and then keep looking for more projects. I don't even know where the pizza went. Pizza? Pizza? Thank you.
Shout out Z Brothers.
So there you go, friends. Quick overview of what's going on in the shop. We're gonna be doing standalone episodes about the E30, bunch of those as far as covering how the build goes, just a review of the car itself as it stands right now. Gonna make a video on the big brake kit for the C5, so that's coming. Gonna make a video on the 71 Benz 280SE, just an overview video, show off how beautiful the paint is. So you've got all of those things to look forward to. And friends, thank you always for stopping by. Thank you always for the support. You know how it goes. Be kind to those around you. Love the ones you're with. Use your signals when you're driving. And we'll catch you on the next one.